Good to have back for another video. So reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can reset or reboot the navigation system of a GLC coupe. This one comes from 2022. We had a customer bought this a couple weeks ago, and now the display is went black, and I've searched for some solutions. I couldn't find anything. What I found is I found it with the help of this Mercedes dealer. They told me to try it with this trick. I'm gonna show you now. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Surface Reset My Car. Have a look at the channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay. As you can see, everything is off. The screen is blank, it's not working. What you need to do is you need to press on off button, the start button and the tail button for about 10 seconds simultaneously. So like this. On off. Keep it pressed and you'll hear a beep. Till you hear a beep like this, and you'll see that the screen goes on again. And this helped me to reset or reboot the navigation system. My customer was very pleased. I hope this can help you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.